But we also know that business can result in unintended consequences or harms that affect those that are meant to be beneficiaries, and especially communities. So our interest is on that understanding to say, look, when there are harms that have been done, how do you make sure that those that are responsible are held accountable?
Oftentimes communities do not have a voice when it comes to the implementation of projects, and this helps in terms of the communities sharing their concerns, sharing their fears around the projects, but also the risks that they see or the threats that are there in relation to the projects that are happening.
I saw it is a combination of civil society organization and the JRMs. So to me, I thought it's an opportunity, first of all, also to learn different perspectives from different participants who have been convened in this workshop. Like, how do we address issues of grievance mechanism in the country, but learning from other African countries where they address the same issues but maybe in a different perspective.
Everyone can have a different GRM. A GRM is not a standalone, framework or aspect, but depending on the situation, depending on a country, you can have your own GRM.
You don't have, just because now you've implemented and you've got the system up and running, you don't have to wait and sit and wait for the grievances to come. Are the stakeholders aware of the grievance redress in the organization? It talks to the outreach programs, it talks to the in-reach programs. So basically that whole awareness process that has to happen.
You can easily implement a GRM, and in internal investigation and integrity unit within an institution, even when you've got low budget considerations, you make it simple, get it understood by all stakeholders, it will function very well. As the institution grows, it becomes complex, as the business also grows, and I'm sure funding will also be permitting to fund the complexity.
So as I've said, I now know that there are some projects in Zimbabwe that are being supported by the Green Climate Fund. So when I go back, I would want to understand better, how are they operating? Are there concerns that are there that we can address to help the communities?
Using the skills that I have, I can engage the accredited institutions. I can check what's happening with their grievance redress mechanisms, see how they are running. I think it's going to be a learning, an ongoing learning process, but also a process of really engaging with others to make sure that we promote accountability, but also we ensure that communities have a platform where they can voice themselves.